Hey, Dan the Roofing Man with you one more time. I want to show you something on this picture that I drew about roof ventilation. It is super important. We've been through training. We've had our certificate. We are certified. All of our people, all of our crew members are certified how to install ventilation on your roof, which is super important. I want to explain something real quick. A lot of times we'll go to a house and the house will have no ventilation whatsoever, which is extremely bad because all this heat is built up inside the attic, inside the roof, and not just bakes your roof, it creates problems. It makes the roof not last very long, so you don't want that. You want to make sure you get ventilation. And a lot of times we'll go to a house and we'll see a roof that will have too much ventilation that doesn't work properly. Is there such a thing? Yes. I always didn't understand it either. But here's the problem. Let's say they have a turbine vent here, a turbine vent here. There's a turbine vent here on the other side. Maybe a turbine vent here. And then there's no opening on the bottom to draw the heat up. So what happens is you're going to get cross ventilation. You're going to get ventilation that goes, instead of drawing up from the bottom and getting all the heat out, it's going to go from here to here, which is not going to help the bottom of your roof. So that's a misunderstanding, misconception, and a lot of people don't understand that. It is super important that there are openings at the bottom of the eaves, and then the best kind of ventilation is a Omni roll ridge vent that is installed on the very top of the roof. Basically, it is installed right here, and right here. On the very top of the roof, what we do is pretend this is the roof part. We come in here and we cut a section of the roof out, a small slit on the very top, and the Omni roll roof ventilation plastic product is installed on the very top, and that is covered with the hip and ridge shingles. Here's a picture right here, check this out, of the Omni roll, and then also here's another picture of the actual example of what it looks like installed on your roof. It's a very good product. We've been using many of them. So ventilation is super important. So when you have a new roof installed on your house, make sure that your roofer knows insulation, knows installation, knows the product, knows the shingles, knows everything on your roof. Can't get my words out. That is super important for your roof. At Daniel's Roofing, we care. We're professional. We're trained. Veteran owned. Take care, guys.